there! Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth just stopped spinning? Yeah, like full stop. Right now, Earth is zooming along, spinning over 1,000 miles per hour. But we don't feel it because we're spinning with it. It's like being on a super smooth ride. Pretty cool, huh? But if Earth suddenly slammed its brakes, whoosh! If Earth stopped, trees, cars, and even you would fly sideways at super speeds. Grab onto something. Imagine it like a race car hitting the brakes. Only Earth is bigger, so the crash would be crazier. Not exactly a fun ride. What will happen to the oceans? Well, all that water from the equator would rush toward the poles. Oceans would move in weird ways, even gravity would feel strange. Say goodbye to the beaches and hello to giant floods. Without spinning, Earth's winds would stop. The winds would be insane, like one giant hurricane around the world. The weather would go bananas. There would be tornadoes, blizzards, it will be total chaos. One side of Earth would roast under the sun, while the other side would freeze in endless darkness. It'd be like living on two completely different planets. Hot versus cold, ouch! Oh, and here's a deal breaker. We'd lose Earth's magnetic field. No magnetic field means no protection from dangerous space radiation. But hey, don't panic. Earth's spin keeps everything in balance. Gravity steady, weather flowing, and life thriving. It's like Earth's way of keeping us all safe. So next time you look up at the sky, remember, Earth's got your back by spinning. Pretty awesome, right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more curious fun. See you next time.